I just uncovered a brand new, low-competition niche that anyone can start, no matter where you're from, no matter your skills. Yes, even if you're a total beginner. And here's the wild part. If you're watching this video right after it drops, you're early enough to claim your spot before it gets saturated. This could be your chance to finally build that channel you've been dreaming of. Still not convinced? Let me show you some proof. But wait, if you are finding it hard to keep up with creating content for all your social media platforms, growing and diversifying can be a challenge, especially when time is limited. But what if you could make it easier? By repurposing your long-form content, you only need to record once and then share it across multiple platforms to boost your growth. That's why you should try NexusClips. This tool is a favorite among creators of long-form videos and live streams. Thanks to this platform, you can easily create multiple short videos from a single long-form video. For example, let me show you how it works. I have a long video here that I want to turn into short clips. First, click on this option and select your video. The tool uses AI to suggest moments, providing a simple rating for each one. As you can see, this moment in the video has an 85 rating. You can either choose the suggested moments or create your own clip by clicking the Create Clip button on the right. Before you start, make sure to connect your YouTube or Twitch account. Once that's set up, select the part of the video you want, then click Edit Clip. Wait a few seconds, and boom. Now you can customize how your video looks. For example, I'll add my AI avatar at the top and place the screen at the bottom. You can also add stickers, hooks, and subtitles with various templates. After finalizing your edits, download the video by clicking the Share button. This tool works for any niche, so give it a try. NexusClip link in the description. This first channel has only 99 videos and already has over 800,000 subscribers, literally on the edge of hitting 1 million. The second one, also around 800K subs, and both are in the same exact niche. Despite those crazy numbers, this niche is still low competition. That means you can jump in right now and start growing fast. Want to see the kind of money these channels are pulling in? Using NextLev, I checked their earnings from the last 28 days. One is making over $49,000 a month. The other, around $10,000 a month. That's more than many people's yearly salaries. So ask yourself, why haven't you started a YouTube channel in this niche yet? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this secret niche. If you follow the exact 3 steps I'll show you, you can launch your channel without overthinking or procrastinating, and you could be on your way to becoming a successful YouTuber in just 30 days. Here's how we'll break it down. Write your script and generate the voiceover. Create AI-generated images and videos. Put it all together with easy editing tools. Let's dive in. Your YouTube journey starts today. So after you check out these 2 YouTube channels, don't waste your time trying to come up with content ideas yourself. We're going to use ChatGPT for that. First, you copy the link of the channel you want to use. Then, go to the prompt section. You'll find all the prompts in the description. Take the first prompt and add the channel link at the end of it, just like you see in the example. After that, send it to ChatGPT and ask it to give us content ideas based on that channel. Then we move on and copy the second prompt, just like you see in the video, and send that one to ChatGPT too. Once that's done, you'll notice ChatGPT suggests many different ideas. For example, let's say we go with the third idea. Top 10 most dangerous dinosaurs in history. Now we take the third prompt and make a few edits. We change the number of the idea we chose, and we also change the idea itself to match the one we picked. Once we've made those changes, we copy the updated prompt and go back to ChatGPT. We send it the prompt and wait a little bit for the response. After that, you will see that ChatGPT writes the whole script for us effortlessly and without wasting time. But still, writing the script by yourself is better than relying only on AI. Now, we copy the names of the dinosaurs one by one and search for images using Pinterest and Google. We choose some of them that we can use without any issues. After that, we can also go to YouTube or Pexels and search for copyright-free stock videos. We only use a few clips with permission from the owners if required. Then, we do the same process with the second one. As you can see, we copy its name and search for the images we want to use. These will be used in the editing part. Not just images, we might also need to download some videos. Now, after that, Now we return to ChatGPT and send it the prompts that talk about creating images using AI. After it generates the prompts for us, we go to Leonardo AI and open it. For every prompt, we generate an image for each scene. So first, we copy every prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI like you see. Then we click on Generate and wait until the image is ready. Once it's done, we download it, as you can see. After that, we go to Runway ML to transform the images into video. For example, let's try one of the images. And yes, you can transform more than one. I just need to explain the method to you. So, after you log in with your Gmail, you go to this feature here. You upload your images, and in this section, you paste your prompt, which you got earlier from ChatGPT. Then you click Generate and wait a little until the video is ready. You can download it by clicking the button at the bottom, just like you see. Now it's time to convert the text into voiceover. So we copy each scene's text and go to 11 Labs. After choosing the voice you think is suitable, you paste your script as shown and click Generate. Wait for the voice to be ready, then download it. After the voiceovers are ready, we go to Pixabay and search for background music. But make sure, guys, before downloading and using any music in your video, always check for copyright issues. Just read the license before using it. Now we open our CapCut project and add all the videos, images, and voiceovers we generated earlier, as you can see. The first step is adding the audio for the intro, like you see. After that, you start adding the videos and images that match the phrases spoken by the narrator. For every video, you can adjust the duration by cutting or duplicating it. Once this step is done, we add the second audio, and using the same process, we add the images and videos related to the first dinosaur. Then we repeat the same process with the second dinosaur until the whole video is complete. After this, you just go back and make sure the aspect ratio of the video looks good. If we added a video that has its own voiceover, we reduce its volume. Also, if a video or image has a watermark, we zoom in a little to hide it, like I just did. You'll need to do this for all the images and videos you use. Now, after this, we go to add the transitions. Use whatever transitions you like, but for me, I'll use the camera shutter transition in the part that separates two different dinosaurs, as you see. For the other videos, you can choose the transitions that you think fit best. Now, for the camera shutter transition, we go and search for a shutter camera sound effect and add it exactly where it's needed, as you can see. After that, we go to the vignette effect and apply it to all the videos, just like you see. Then we reduce its opacity to 65% like I did. Now we go to the text option and choose auto captions. After that, we make sure the captions are set to English language, then we click create. We wait until the captions are generated. Once they're ready, we change the templates as you see. Then we also change the font and the color. Lastly, we add a simple black glow to the text. Now, after that, you can add your background music as you want, but make sure to reduce its volume a little so it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. Now we export the video. And just for your information, guys, if you don't know how to create a simple thumbnail, you can just return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a thumbnail for this script. Just wait a little, and the thumbnail will be ready to download and use. If you want a perfect thumbnail, you should describe it well in the prompt. Guys, this is the end of the video. Love you all. Bye-bye, and we'll meet again in another video.